Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will explain about the top new features in the latest One UI 8.5 update on the Samsung S25 Ultra, S25, S25 Plus in the India. So Samsung recently officially launched the One UI 8.5 in the India for the S25 series, and we update my Samsung S25 Ultra to One UI 8.5. Let's see what's the new features, what the changes in the One UI 8.5 on Samsung phone. So you can first check we update my device to go to settings, scroll down up to the software update. Now here you can see the One UI 8.5. We update my S25 Ultra. So check for the updates. So we check it. We download and install the One UI 8.5 on my device. Now you can see your software is up to update. So now go back. Now let's see one by one all new changes, all new features in the One UI 8.5. So first one and the one of the most excitement is feature is the customizable quick panel in the latest One UI 8.5. So just swipe down the notification panel, and here you can see how we customize my quick setting tiles. To customize it, tap on the pencil icon on your One UI 8.5. Now here you can adjust the quick panel setting icon. Now here you can see how it will automatically, you can increase or decrease the size or change the position on your device for the quick setting tiles on your latest One UI 8.5. Just long press to move the quick setting tiles on your device. This is the amazing update, one of the most excited. You can also move or change, rearrange or reorganize the quick panel like this. So one of the best and excitement feature is the quick setting customize. Here you can see how it looks on your device. Just long press it to move on your phone. Now here you can see how we can just tap and hold it to increase or decrease the size you want on your device Samsung phone. After that, tap on the done option to how change the quick setting tiles on your phone. Second one is the partial screen recording. So you can easily record the specific part of the screen on your device. So just swipe down the notification panel. In the quick setting tiles, you can find the screen recorder, tap on it. Now you can see the new partial screen recording option available to record the specific app screen on your Samsung device. So this is also one of the best updates in the Samsung One UI 8.5 update. Also, when you swipe up and you can see at the bottom peel icon search bar on your app drawer also, or you can when you open the app drawer or go to the settings, you can also find the search bar icon at the bottom, so you can quickly search anything. This is the amazing update. Also you can see arranged by the settings only by name, like here you can see change the UI of the quick settings on your device. So this is the new search bar icon at the bottom in the app drawer or app screen. This is also amazing updates in the latest One UI 8.5 beta. Next one is the Galaxy AI feature, means photo assist feature that will helpful to review the your history. Like when you open the gallery on your device, select the any photo on your phone. Now tap on the edit icon. Here we use the Galaxy AI. Now tap or draw around anything you want to remove. Like we want to remove this, so we select this. Now tap on the erase button. So after erase the button, you can see the history by tap on the edit icon. Let's see. Wait until complete the process. Now tap on the keep editing on your phone. When you keep editing, you can see the icon at the top. Just tap on it and you can see both the AI eraser or original option on your Samsung device. So this is the one of the most updated Galaxy AI features photo assist. You can check your AI eraser or a original, so you can easily get back your best photo using the Galaxy AI. Just select it you want to save on your device. Also, this is one of the best Galaxy AI features. Next one is the customizable lock fonts on the lock screen. So when you tap and hold the blank space on the lock screen, tap on the wallpaper and style, tap on the lock screen. Now in the lock screen clock style, you can customize the clock font. So tap on the clock font. Here you can increase or decrease the clock font. Here you can see you can see on bold option available to increase or decrease the clock. Adjust the thickness of the font style on your device. So adjust it on your device. This is the also amazing features. Also when you swipe, you can find the new weather option at the bottom. So tap on the weather option and you can see it will apply effect related to your location. So it will automatically apply weather effect depend on your location or weather on your device. So you can see how it looks when different weathers available on your device. So this is the amazing lock screen settings available for the clock style. Next one is the automatic lock screen layout. So when you lock your device, it will automatically adjust the photo or any wallpaper. So you clock and widget don't cover important of the pictures. It means when you set the any photos or any other wallpaper on your device, it will automatically adjust the clock and the widgets, clock style and widget information that don't cover the important part of your picture or a wallpaper on your device. Also, when next one is the when you open the clock on your device, you can see the new information. At the world clock, you can see the background of the different clock style you set. Like we select the New Delhi in India. So now go back, it will change. The tap on London. Now you can see how it affects on your device. Also, you can see at the bottom like a pill icons in the all the settings. That is one of the best. Also when you open the stopwatch and other, it will also change the background and the all other details on your device. So one of the also important updates in the one UI 8.5 on your device. Next one is the quick share. So when you use the quick share feature, it will quickly share the photos with the friends and family member automatically. So when you use the quick share or one of your friends or family member, it will automatically find that option if available and automatically send to the friends and family when you use the quick share feature on your device. Here you can set everyone to quickly find the your friends or family whenever you send quick share. Next one is the battery info remap redesign the battery settings on your One UI 8.5 update. So go to settings on your device. So go to setting. Now scroll down to the device care. Now tap on the device care. Now here you can see totally change the layout or looks of the battery and device care. So tap on the battery. Now here you can see totally change the UI redesign the battery settings on your device. Here you can see the data usage, battery left. Also in the power saving you can see the new option that will help you to improve the battery life of your device. So change the battery and device care on your Samsung One UI 8.5 updates. So this is the all the most top changes or top features in the latest Samsung One UI 8.5 update on Samsung S25 series. You can also see the list of all minor changes by go to the settings on your device. Scroll down up to the software updates. Tap on the software update. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you can see the software information. Last update. Tap on the last update. Now here you can see the last successful update One UI 8.5 beta today 23rd December. So here you can see the One UI version 8.5 Android version 16 update size 4035.62 MB up to almost 4 GB. Tap on all changes and here you can see the list of all changes in the One UI 8.5 beta for a Samsung S25, S25 Ultra, S25 Plus and any other Samsung device. So all the new changes or update details, small all changes in the Galaxy I, connectivity updates, quick share update, home and lock screen update, weather updates, clock update, Samsung health related updates, security and privacy related updates, battery and power update, accessibility, even more improvement like a more customizable quick panel, early alert for reminder, partial screen recording, calculator notes, keep window size in the DeX mode. So this is the all updates you can check on your Samsung One UI 8.5 update on your Samsung device. So check for the this latest One UI 8.5 update on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.